loves, thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shell Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to group, ungroup, and align in Silhouette Studio. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull up your Silhouette Studio software and then pull up your design. Once I have my design pulled up, I am going to right click, scroll down, and then press the Ungroup tool. Then I'm going to select the first two items I want to group together, right click, scroll down, and group them. And then I'm going to just change the color so that they match. Then I'm going to select the second part that I want to group together, right click, scroll down, and then click group. And then once again, I'm just going to change the color. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it. And you have successfully grouped and ungrouped your design. Now you can leave it like this, or you can group it all back together, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So I'm going to put my design back together, select the entire design, and then I'm going to go up to the Align tool and center it vertically and horizontally. Once I've done that, I'm going to select the entire design again, right click, scroll down, and then press group. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.